Hi, my name is Jessica Principe, and I'm the founder and creator of All Girl Shave Club. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for your purchase. Whether you purchased the rose gold 6-blade razor system, our famous whip shave butter, or something else, I want you to know that these products were created with you in mind. I started All Girl Shave Club because I truly believe that women deserve high-quality, female-focused shaving and body products that we can use to start our day feeling beautiful, confident, and well cared for. Our products are pretty, of course, but they'll also leave you with a smoother shave, softer skin, and the convenience of affordable replenishments delivered on your terms. You're in the right place to up-level your shaving experience, so get ready to be wowed. Today, I'm going to show you 2 of my favorite products and how to use them. First up is our signature rose gold 6-blade luxe shaving system. As I mentioned before, this razor system has been designed with you and women everywhere in mind. When you first open your starter kit, you're going to find a guide booklet which outlines how to use the products in your kit, along with some shaving tips scattered in throughout as well. If you've joined us on subscription, there is also some helpful information on how to manage your subscription and make the most of your membership. The starter kit includes a water-friendly glitter storage tote that's perfect for easy grab and go. Inside, you'll find a safety cover for your razor. The rose gold handle is made of luxury metal for extra precision and control. You'll find 4 refill cartridges in your starter kit. The weighted handle has a beautiful rose gold finish that will not only look gorgeous in your bathroom, but it also has a rubber grip on the underside for extra stability. Blade refills are easy to change as needed. To attach the blades, simply align the prongs on the handle to the back of the cartridge until you hear the click. Then gently pull downward and out to release the cartridge from the case. Each cartridge contains 6 diamond-coated blades on the front, designed to stay sharper, longer, and are great for sensitive skin. Each cartridge also contains a bikini trimmer on the back. This is perfect to trim and shape longer hair. The flexible head makes it easy to navigate delicate curves from top to toe. You can say goodbye to razor burn and bumps forever because it shouldn't hurt to shave. Every woman's shaving habits are different, but we generally recommend that you replace your cartridge every 5 to 7 shaves. To release the cartridge from your handle, simply push the button on the top. The whip shave butter is the stuff that shaving dreams are truly made of. This is unlike any product that you've ever tried before, and for good reason. A lot of shaving products will dry out your skin, leaving it itchy and feeling uncomfortable and dry. Our shea butter is actually enhanced with special ingredients like shea butter and avocado oil, which really hydrate and lock in moisture while you shave, so that instead of drying it out, it actually adds hydration and moisture during the shaving process, so that your legs and skin feel soft and silky smooth afterward. It's also enhanced with bentonite clay, and bentonite clay is the secret key ingredient in preventing those pesky nicks and cuts. It acts as a protective barrier to protect your skin, and it adds extra lubrication so that your razor just glides effortlessly across your skin. The shave butter is paraben-free, and it's free from added colors and dyes, making it nice and gentle on all skin types. It comes in a variety of delicious scents, such as pink champagne and beach babe, as well as unscented, so you can try them all and mix and match to find your favorite. When you open the shave butter, you're going to find that it's firmer to the touch than any other shave product that you've tried before. It's not like a soft cream or foam, but it's supposed to be this way because of the added bentonite clay. To use the product, wet your shaving area and your hands. Then scoop out a dime-sized amount and rub the product together in your hands vigorously. The friction will engage the shave butter and it will lather up beautifully. Then apply it to your pre-moistened shaving area and shave as usual. Rinse any remaining product once you're through shaving and enjoy the benefits of the softest, silkiest skin you've ever had post-shave. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. I know you're going to love it. If you like surprises, I invite you to check out our Discovery Bundle. They are limited edition, curated collections designed to make shaving, grooming, and life more convenient, beautiful, and fun. Each bundle includes 2 to 3 products from a variety of cool brands for you to discover and enjoy, along with a jar of whip shave butter. Each bundle also includes a collectible monthly affirmation card and a self-care checklist with easy-to-do self-care challenges for you to incorporate into your month. A new Discovery Bundle is released every 2 months. For only $25, it includes free US shipping, and you'll always receive products with a combined retail value of $40 or greater. You can check it out at the link below. Thank you again for your purchase and for supporting our small business. I hope you love your new products. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please feel free to contact our very friendly customer service team at hello@allgirlshaveclub.com.